Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Jeep TJ Hardtop Hardware is probably one of the most crucial elements for Jeep TJ owners who value both functionality and style, ensuring a secure and weatherproof cabin while complementing the vehicle's rugged design. Finding the right hardware is essential for a proper fit, preventing leaks, and ensuring the hardtop remains securely attached during off-road adventures or even just daily driving, making your investment worthwhile and enjoyable. Number 5. Jeep Wrangler Hardtop Kit. Removing your Jeep's hardtop just got a whole lot easier. This kit makes quick work of the process, so you can enjoy open-air driving in no time. It's so simple to use, no extra tools are needed. Just attach it and you are ready to remove your hardtop. They're made from high-quality materials. Sturdy thermoplastic nylon thumb screws with zinc-coated studs ensure long-lasting performance. These heavy-duty hurricane-styled thumb screws give your Jeep a stylish upgrade. They'll look great on any model. No more loose parts. It features a clever design where the fasteners store neatly in the body holes when the top is off, and a rubber washer protects your paint. Everything you need is right here: 8 thumb screws, washers, and nut plates to securely attach your hardtop. Installation is a breeze. What we like. This kit makes removing your hardtop a breeze. It's tool-free and built to last, perfect for those who frequently switch between tops. If you value convenience and durability, this is the kit for you. What people say. Way more convenient for getting the top on and off. Sturdy, no problems so far. Good quality and no longer need tools to take the top off. Perfect, easy solution to a fix my hardtop. Previous owner used bolts and nuts. This system requires no tools. Number 4. DEDC Hardtop Fasteners. Say goodbye to struggling with your hardtop. These fasteners make removal and installation a breeze. It's quick and easy. Just twist to secure. No more fumbling with extra tools. They're designed for a quick and simple installation. Use them with your cargo cover, nets, or other accessories. They're compatible with many Jeep models and accessories. These heavy-duty fasteners are made from durable materials. They're rust-proof and built to withstand the elements. You get everything you need: thumb screws, washers, nuts, and D-rings. There are even extra pieces for backup. They're compatible with various Jeep models from 1995 to 2017. Check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This option offers extra functionality with included D-rings. The heavy-duty materials ensure long-lasting performance. If you need extra tie-down points and want a robust solution, this is a great choice. What people say. They look just like the product pics. I used a few for additional tie-down points in the rear cargo area of my 4Runner to keep gear from moving around while off-roading. This replaced it easily and works perfectly. They are much easier to install and line up than the OEM ones. They do include 2 extras. Number 3. Jeep Wrangler Hardtop Screws. Removing your Jeep's hardtop just got a whole lot easier. These innovative thumb screws make the process quick and tool-free. It's incredibly simple to install, no tools or modifications are needed. You'll be enjoying open-air driving in minutes. They're designed with a clever storage system. The fasteners stay neatly in place when the top is off, keeping everything organized. These heavy-duty thumb screws give your Jeep a stylish upgrade, while the rubber washers protect your paint. Everything you need is included: thumb screws, washers, nut plates, and tie-down D-rings. It's a complete solution for secure and stylish hardtop removal. The included D-rings provide a secure way to tie down your hardtop when it's removed, ensuring it stays safe and sound. What we like. This kit provides a clean and easy hardtop removal process. It features a stylish design and keeps everything organized. If you prioritize a sleek look and hassle-free installation, this is ideal for you. What people say. Nice not needing any tools, work great no issues. Easy to install on my YJ and fit perfectly. The tie-down portion is durable and perfect for coolers etc. that bounce around when off-road. The threads on these are just different enough that they absolutely will not work on a JL Wrangler. Number 2. Jeep Wrangler Hardtop Fasteners. Say goodbye to wrestling with your Jeep's hardtop. This kit makes removing and installing it a breeze, no matter the weather. Everything you need is right here: fasteners, screws, washers, and durable plates. It's a comprehensive solution for a secure fit. These aren't your average fasteners. They're 10 times stronger than standard options, built to withstand even the toughest off-road adventures. They're designed to seamlessly integrate with your Jeep's existing clips, ensuring a snug, rattle-free connection. With thumb screws, installation and removal are quick and easy, no tools required. Enjoy a smooth, hassle-free experience. This kit fits various Jeep Wrangler models, from YJ to JK, ensuring compatibility across generations. What we like. This kit is designed for a perfect fit across various Jeep models. The extra strong nut plates ensure superior stability. If you need a reliable and compatible solution for your Jeep, this is the one. What people say. Work great on hardtop on 03 Rubicon. Used on 2005 Jeep TJ. Perfect fit with factory hardtop. Much easier access than the original Torx bolts driver. Old torque bolts were not removed for years, and when I got the Jeep I had to go topless. Old bolts were seized and difficult. Putting these in were simple and hold very well. Number 1. Hooke Road TJ Hardtop Kit. Is your Jeep Wrangler TJ Hardtop showing its age? This kit provides the perfect solution for restoring its functionality and weather protection. These replacement bolts and nuts are designed for a perfect fit on your Jeep Wrangler TJ, 1997 to 2006. It's a simple and effective repair. It's constructed from durable 10B21 alloy steel bolts and aluminum alloy nuts for long-lasting performance. They are built to withstand the elements. The black oxide coating provides excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring it will last for years to come. Keep your hardtop secure and protected. This kit includes everything you need: 6 bolts, 6 nuts, and 6 washers. It's a comprehensive solution for a secure hardtop. Installation is straightforward, making it a simple DIY project. Get your Jeep Wrangler TJ back on the road quickly and easily. What we like. This kit offers a direct replacement for your existing hardware. The high-quality materials ensure durability and longevity. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The threaded backers were nice, of decent size. Bolts were good, make sure you have a Torx bit to fit. I don't know what the OEM stuff looked like, but this feels of good quality and does its intended purpose. Nuts fit perfect in the channels and the bolts aren't leaving rust stains like the stainless hardware that came with my top did. These fasteners made for a fast and easy installation. I would definitely purchase them again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.